In this video, I will be eating the rest of the scorpion pepper chocolate. Now, I don't see any instructions, or it says ingredients, organic cocoa beans, organic cane sugar, organic cocoa butter, organic scorpion pepper flakes. In my last video, my 300/400 subscriber special, I ate the other half, and it wasn't spicy. I mean, it's a good chocolate with a bit of a kick. Well, that's it. It's only moderately spicy, despite the fact that scorpion peppers are apparently like really hot. This chocolate bar isn't. I'd give it a try though. So, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.